every Sunday, guys. General, on the move. General, tumatalan. To set team, no, rejected by Oralo. Patrick, opportunity to Pampao. On the glass, 2 points. What a quick ball movement. Catalan, inside. Nothing protects. Jeff Blackson on the move. Patrick, opportunity. No, Catalan is there. On the move. On the lanes. And 1. My goodness, what an explosive player. Oh, it's 2. Catalan. Yes, sir. Codex. Giving the team for 3-point play, advancing 1 point lead. Fabi on the right side. Back to Oralo. Takes in the middle. No! McLean stolen by Quason. So next. Grabe na. Turbon sa perimeter. General on the move. Takes. Malamatay. No. To McLean. Pasa na pala. To Kim. No. McLean inside. Yes, sir. 5-4. Ayos si McLean, ha? Oh. Oralo. To Duason. No. To Oralo. Yes, sir. 6-5. General on the move. General inside. Drop pass. No. Luigi to Paupao. Paupao on the move. Paupao. Yes, sir. Quickness. 8-5. Catalan on the move. Changing pace. To General. He's back. Connects. Don't leave me wide open. Sabi ni General, I give it to you. The 3-point shot. Pangilinan, faking. Versus Kimero Fuentes. To number 6. Perimeter. No. Backling. On the rebound. Patrick opportunity. Catalan. Wide open. 2 points. 10-8. Paupao on the move. Back to Quason. Inside to Oralo. No. Fabi, fading pass. Oralo. Fading. No. Give. Patrick opportunity. Catalan on the move. Finding open man. Give it go. Oh. There's no run. Just play Fabi on the move. Back to Quason, to number 6. Behind the back pass to Paupao. Wide open. Back to Quason. Catalan is there. Single. Good. Paupao on the move. Back to Oralo. Inside. In the middle. Like ulit. Connects. All 10. McLean on the move. Inside, wala pa rin. Paupao on the move. Yes, sir. Praktisado ang bata. 12-10. General. No. Patrick opportunity. Magsawa ka sa kuya mo. Takbo ka daw dapat. Wow. Pinapractice ka na. Miro Fuentes on the move. Kumatalan for 3. Connects. 13-12. Paupao on the move. Check on the play. Tumuturo sa gitna. Oralo. Creates a foul. 2 free throws para kay Luigi Oralo. No. No. Catalan on the move. Orano. Back to Jem. Jem Tuason on the move. Sucker set. Pull up change board. Wow. Grabe sa din ha. Started step ha. Tapos pull up pare ha. Ayos ko ha. Ikaw ha. Shooter's cue. No. Bad break opportunity. Oh, kanino? Jump ball. Same ball. Same ball, same ball. 14-13. Wasa to Pampao. Pampao. Inside. Wow. Iba yan. Wala. Pangilinan. Oh! Catalan! Connects! Putting his teammate for 1-point lead. Change favor tayo, pare. 15-14. Pakupaon na po. Inside. Wow! Sige na pa. Orlando is there. On the move. Oh! Rabbit. Oh! Good play. Grabe si Rabbit. Mga baka si Rabbit ha. Amazing. Parang Jason William pare ha. Oy! General! Ano gagawin mo? Pasakay Catalan. Catalan! On the move. No! Inside! Wala. Good. Foul. Side ball. Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds in the game. Lamang pa rin ang opensa ng isa. Oy! Kapitan. Ito po ang bola. Opo ang mamadali. On the move. Good. Sorry. Nawala-bulang eh. Last 2 minutes in the game. Fabi inside, wide open. 16-15. Last 1 minute and 50 seconds. Catalan. Oy! Foul. Good foul. 16-15. Ang tulin ni Catalan. Oy! General, wide open! Wala! Kanya ulit! Oy! Slips in his hands. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds. Grabe ka literal ha. Grabe. Mr. Jason Williams. Ay, ikaw na si Williams ngayon. Kilala mo ba yan si Williams? Jason Williams? The Hooper Street Baller. Catalan. No. Opponent's ball pare. Last 55 seconds. Pau-Pau on the move. Inside. No. 16-15, depende sa Pau pa. Inside! No. Last 30 seconds naman kayo isa. You have to stop this. Ten to shoot. Keep on the move. Protect. Last 8 seconds. Foul. Last 1.7 seconds. 18-15. Next game, ready sila Dizon. Game ball. Nice game. For our third game, Otis wins again, 18-15.